Custom Keyboards is a very tight-knit, small, and strong community on the internet that have worked over the past few years to minutiously change small details to create what they want and help their community to build keyboards that are truly one of a kind. Custom. I never thought I would make a keyboard myself, because the cost is vast and the information needed is even bigger. But as the years have gone on, I've learned quite a bit about mechanical keyboards, and frankly, I'm overdue for a stupid purchase, so I think now's the time I build my very first custom mechanical keyboard. Okay, so I am trying to actually figure out what I'm gonna buy for my custom keyboard. I like thocky sounds. What I found out after watching a few videos is how important keycaps actually are, and if you want thock, you probably want to have a... What I was trying to say here is that you're going to want PBT keycaps. These keycaps ensure that your thock sound is better. I don't know exactly how, but through the research I've found, PBT keycaps is what you want if you're looking for a thocky sound. I found keycaps that I really like. They're calling these kanji keycaps. They are not. These are hiragana. These are not kanji. These are hiragana. Sorry to be the most annoying person in the room for a second there. I'm now noticing after the fact that it says kanji/hiragana keycaps, so I'm the fool. I really like these. They're really pretty, and I'm looking at this case here, which is not in stock, but I'm sure it'll maybe come into stock at some point. Here's my dilemma. I don't like any of these when they're all one color, but I would really love something like this. And I think I know what I gotta get. I gotta get two. I gotta get black, and I gotta get red. So I found my keys. Perfect. But it wasn't actually as perfect as I thought it was, because right after this, I reached a little snag. Dude, I'm so almost upset. I was looking at my two colors I wanted, and I was like, yes, these are good, these are good. And then I read the fine print. I'm reading all the instructions, and then right here it says for 60%, 80%, TKL, whatever that is, and 100% keyboards only. If I bought this, I could not finish my set. And you may be asking why. Well, in short, I am getting a 65% keyboard, and 65% keyboards are special because they jam a lot of keys in small areas. As opposed to a 60% keyboard, which has no arrow keys and normal size shift keys, a 65% keyboard is accommodating arrow keys, which means that it has to have a smaller shift key. The problem with that being the set I'm looking at does not offer that size shift key. So now, it's either I scrap it, or I gotta get a little creative. If I found a product that was so close in color, that had really nice designs on the shift key related to the vibe, I could pull it off. And I found one. I'm so happy I found it. It gives the escape key, the shift key, the other shift key, and the space bar a design. But not only that, it has both the shift keys that I need. It's a very close color to the keycaps that I am looking for in that area. I fixed the solution. The solution has been found. I'm buying 3 sets of keycaps. All right, situation defused and solved. Now I just gotta find out the switches that I need. Okay, so what felt like forever, but really was like 30 minutes, I found the switches I'm gonna get. I'm a big fan of thock, and I know it's basic. Basic guy likes thock, you know, but can't help the monkey brain that attaches whenever I hear it. I am going with the Gateron Box Inc. version 2 switch. And luckily they have them in the color that I would like. So after many hours of research, many snags, and a lot of trial and error, time to finally buy everything. Hopefully everything. I finally got my keycaps from Chrome Key here. Okay, Reburst Reboot, that's blah, blah, blah. You might have remembered me saying that I wanted to get a black and red keyboard. Now that changed because I realized this is my dream keyboard. I plan to only ever make one keyboard and this is it. So I need to make mine pink. I just would not be true to myself if it was red and black. So I got 2 different shades of pink keys. And as a side note, almost one lucky bit of fate that showed me that this choice was right, the pink case that I was looking at from the same company was in stock, unlike the red one, and I was able to buy it that day. Flip this so I don't show my identity. Oh, it's on both sides. I'm just gonna throw this box out of the way. Box with this, tightly packed, it took so much effort to get it out. The card, and it also came with a candy for some reason that was scrumptious. I just don't know why it was in there. And it came with like 1,000 staples sticking it together, which I get because packing, but it was packed so tight that it wouldn't matter if it had the staples anyway, and I was just here for like 20 minutes getting poked and prodded by staples and pulling them out with this thing, which I got in my keyboard opening kit. But now it's open and now I'm ready, and hopefully no more staples. Mom, you know what just happened? My camera case delivered at 7:34, but it needs a signed document, and I was upstairs with headphones on. It was about 4 minutes after. 4 minutes after he started running.
Oh boy.
Can you believe that? So then it just went back with the guy, so they're gonna try again tomorrow.
Okay.
The camera case comes, and it's like it needs.
Sorry, what came?
I keep saying camera case. The keyboard case. There, that's not bad. I got this in Japan. It's funny. Oh, I'm so frustrated. All I need left is the case to come. And I just got an email that at 7:32, we tried to deliver your package, but we didn't because no one could come to the door because apparently I need to sign for this package. And it's the moment my dad started running, like 2 minutes after he started running, and I went upstairs with headphones in. But it'll try again tomorrow, which should be good.
It's tomorrow, and I got my keyboard case. That's everything I need delivered, but I can't necessarily start making it yet. There is one last very annoying step that I have to finish. It's a step that no one likes, is messy, and takes forever. Of course, I'm talking about...
Okay, so I'm officially starting the process of lubing all these switches. I have lubed now 2 switches and it has been 15 minutes. But just listen to the sound comparison. Unlubed, lubed. So much better. I did break a switch because I didn't research how to put them back together. I just researched what to lube. So I broke it. But I now know not to do that. Time to start this process. I'm sure you'll see me again in many hours of this across multiple days, losing my mind. But for now, let's just enjoy it. It's 3 in the morning. I think that's day 1. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 out of 68. But because I'm funny, we're gonna do 69 because it's funny and cool. And I actually think, what if one of these don't work? So back at it tomorrow. Look, I have this new strategy of opening it. Ah! I'm gonna lose my mind. See, on my pants? Like, where's it? There it is! Yes! So after 36 minutes, 15 of 40. So it'll take, I don't know, like an hour 40, which isn't horrible. I just don't want to, like, do it, dude. Oh my god, that's half. It's been 56 minutes. Okay. That's not too bad. 20 more, 20 more, 20 more, 20 more, 20 more. Okay! Let's do another total count. That's 29. Seven 68, 69, baby. I can wash my hands. Okay, I'm gonna clean now because everything is now just so frictionless. Okay. Oh, that's not the. Stop recording, Riley.
It's gotta be here.
You're looking for this?
No, let me show you.
It's a fucking tape.
Scott, the blue. I've seen the blue used the most.
Pick?
Well, it depends on what we want to spend on.
I don't know. Sorry. $12.99. Let's get that.
Okay.
Easier to put on than little stuff.
Yeah, perfect.
So now that I have all the pieces I need for the keyboard ready and to go, it's time to finally start building it. But no keyboard video is complete without a ridiculously and unnecessarily aesthetic montage. So, let's do it. Oh, baby! Oh my god, now that that's done, I can finally take down this stupid fake wall. This is so annoying. Now there's just one issue left. This mouse doesn't match. Get out of here. And let's bring out our new and improved...
Mix it up, boy.
Okay, I know this looks bad, but let me explain. I don't really know anything about mouses. I've only ever done research on keyboards. I didn't want to have a white mouse that didn't match. I bought from Ghost, the same brand that I bought my other keyboard. That's where I bought my mouse. And I didn't know anything else, and I've never bothered to do any research. So instead of doing any research onto anything, I just said, hey, this one works, and bought it. And that's why. But mainly because it's super funny. So now that all is said and done, there is still one more thing I have to do. But this time, I think I've earned it. Some say it's vanity and unnecessary, and they would be right. But I've enjoyed having my keyboard every single day that I've had it. Every time I load up Osu or type something or even search something into Google like I would before, it feels different. It feels right. Something that I've always wanted is finally here. I don't know why I chose to do this now or if it was a stupid choice considering how much money it costed, but I don't regret it one single bit, even if I should. With that, make yourself a custom keyboard and have a great rest of your day.